If your car doesn't support CarPlay or Android Auto, well, it's not a big problem anymore. Just check this out. I just got the new Apple CarPlay device. Maybe you've seen the wireless CarPlay screen and now you are wondering if it is compatible with your car or not. And to keep it very simple with you guys, as long as you have a working radio and a working power outlet, whether it's the cigarette port or a USB, it will work in your car. This CarPlay screen comes with everything that you need to install, including a mount, a front and back camera, aux USB cable and more. I have an iPhone, but this is also compatible with Android if you are an Android user. You can access most of your favorite apps and it's a great, smooth and fast. This CarPlay screen isn't just like the others because this one is really fast with smooth touch and the screen is wide and colors are perfect. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox it. So let's open this and see what we have right here. Okay, this is the screen. The screen is 9.16-inch display with high quality and it's pretty smooth. Here, as you see, the most important things about this CarPlay screen, it's recommended that you use Bluetooth to connect the car audio to get a more perfect sound quality experience. Here, as you see, we have the built-in front camera which can record everything in front of you. It can record in 4K and full HD quality. This screen comes with built-in FM transmitter. On the back of the screen here, you can mount the screen on the stand. Okay, let's put the screen right there and see what we have inside the box. Here we have the plug-in cable. It uses Type-C and is pretty cool. Here we have the stand which we will use to install the screen in car. Okay, this is the rear camera with a powerful 4-LED flash. If you want, you can connect it to the screen or just ignore it. Here we have aux cable and another sticky pads. So I really don't like to use aux cable since I have an iPhone, but it's cool to include it in the box. It also comes with these pads so you can stick it directly on the back or whatever it was for. Okay, here we have the CarPlay SmartScreen user manual. It has good instructions. Make sure to take a look at this. It has all the information about the smart screen and everything you need to know. And finally, here we have this poster. Take a look of this if you would like. So this is all what we have inside the package. Okay, let's go ahead and set this up, see how it looks. On the screen side, you will find the aux port, the memory card slot, the AV port for the rear camera, and the Type-C cable which you will use to connect the smart screen to the car to turn it on. This is the Type-C cable which we will use to turn it on, so make sure to connect it here. Let's turn it on and see how it works. As you see, the screen is now turned on. Okay, I will remove the screen protector. And boom, this is it. So this is the smart screen and this is the home screen. So let's go to settings. Okay, here we have many options and I will quickly explain these options. Okay, here you can enable screensaver, change left or right hand drive mode, split screen mode, change brightness, assistive touch, clear connections, and service. In camera option, here we have record resolution, segment duration, collision sensitive, microphone, rear mirror image, and reverse line calibration. Here you can change the record resolution. You can select full HD or 4K and more. In system option here, you will find some useful options like change language, tip sound, format, factory reset, and more. Okay, let's go back to the home screen. You can, of course, adjust the screen brightness quickly from the main screen. As you see, the screen colors are really cool. From here, you can increase or decrease volume. It's just that simple. And from here, you can quickly open the front camera. As you see, you can record everything in 4K quality. This is really useful when you go out in car. As you see, it looks great. It's very clear. Here below we have some options like mute, take a photo, record the video, and more. Make sure to put a memory card inside the screen to record and take a pictures from the screen. Okay, let's go back to the home screen. Here we have AirPlay feature. Here we have Android Auto for Android users, CarPlay for iOS users, Android Cast, and more. The screen also has audio output and playback feature. You can also use music player so you can quickly listen to your favorite music. Now I will connect my iPhone to this smart screen using CarPlay. So this is my iPhone. First, open settings and go to Bluetooth and find the screen name. As you see here, you will find the screen name. Just connect to it. Press pair. Allow. Now it will ask you to use CarPlay with this smart screen. Hit use CarPlay and boom, it's now connected. Now you have CarPlay on your car. It's pretty easy to connect it. There we go. Now I have my maps and I have my music all up here in this smart screen. This is the best CarPlay screen I've ever seen. This is why everyone is buying it. Once you connect it, you will be able to make calls, listen to music, read your messages, WhatsApp and Telegram messages, and more. You can make calls directly from the screen. It even has a keypad so that you can call anyone from the smart screen. There is nothing more to ask for with this smart screen. From here you can listen to your favorite music. The sound quality is perfect. This smart screen has 4 ways of sounds including built-in speaker, aux, FM and BT speaker. From here you can use maps to go anywhere without using your phone. You can go to any place you want. Just connect your mobile phone to enjoy online real-time GPS navigation. Here you can see and read your messages. You can also read your WhatsApp and Telegram messages. Nothing more to ask for. This smart screen supports voice controls, so you can use Siri or Google Assistant and start your new driving life. The smart screen resolution rate is perfect and this makes the screen more sensitive and smooth. Now I will test it on my car. So let's connect the Type-C cable to the cigarette lighter. Let's connect this here. I will put the smart screen here. So here right now I connected it with my car. It's very easy to install. Just connect it to the cigarette lighter and that's it. Okay, this is the front camera. It looks really good. Let's try it now while driving. And as you see, it can record everything. What's more, you can watch what you have recorded later. So this is the front camera. It's pretty cool. It also has a little camera in the back in case you want to put it on. If not, you leave it like that. The truth is, nothing to wish for new cars. It's the best smart screen I've ever had. Upgrade your driving experience with this high-quality CarPlay screen. This smart screen comes with 4K dual dash camera, support park assist, loop record, G-sensor, and 64GB SD card. It's very good and that's it. I have to say that I'm really happy because I got this smart screen. Buy it now from the link below this video. It's worth a try. So guys, this is our review for this product, and as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more reviews, and peace.